Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Auto MT. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is all about the 2023 Skoda Kodiaq. So let's get started. There are also a host of optional extras, some of which may be bought alone and others as a part of a package. The majority of the automobiles imported would arrive with one or the more packages according to the fleet we examined during the national launch. In my view, the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq is the ideal vehicle for the average-sized Australian family. Although the VFACTS classifies it's a large SUV, it is somewhat smaller than the key rivals such as the Toyota Kluger, Kia Sorento and the Mazda CX-9, which earned the Drive Car of the Year this year. A 180 kW per 370 Nm turbo petrol engines replaces the previous model's weak drive line in the 2022 Kodiaq RS version. The Skoda has endeavored to keep options to a minimum because to the current production's constraints, ensuring that the range breadwinners are quite uncomplicated. The Skoda Kodiaq's 2022 is offered to the three trim levels, Style, Sportline and RS. All variants in the range are powered by the same 2.0-liter turbocharged. The 4-cylinder petrol engine, which produces 132 kW per 320 Nm in Style Sportsline trim and 180 kW per 370 Nm in RS trim. The MY 2022 updates the modernized the CX brand's rival against the Hyundai Santa Fe, Kia Sorento, Mazda CX-8 and CX-9. Toyota Kluger and the recently facelifted Volkswagen Tiguan All-Space, among others. Inside reworked seats, a new steering wheel design, digital instruments with enhanced graphics, ambient cabin lighting extended to the footwells, new trim options, dash top stitching and the wireless phone mirroring and charging are all available. The Skoda Australia took use of the chance to fine-tune and modify the Kodiaq SUV lineup, taking into consideration variables such as the current market, anticipated production constraints, the owing to a semiconductor shortage and the customer's demand. The base model, the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq Style, begins at $52,990 drive away. Among the improvements are an electric tailgate, wireless Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto and the brand's new 9.2-inch infotainment system. The facelifted model also adds the new interior, ambient lighting and updated versions of the Skoda's digital instrument cluster and USB-C charging connection. This is in addition to the fully new front-to-back styling and the chassis improvements. A tech pack that is $3,000, a luxury pack that costs $6,500 and a panoramic sunroof that costs $1,900 are available as an option. The latter includes, but it's not limited to, the Matrix LED headlights, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, heated and ventilated from the seats, a 360-degree parking camera, 3-zone temperature control and much more. The most significant benefits of spending $5,000 extra or paying $57,990 drive away are aesthetic, design and technology enhancements. Thank you for listening to this video. Do like and subscribe.